Russian experts. Bitcoin may hit $135,000 in 2025 and become Moscow's super currency. Bitcoin adoption. Russia. Alt season in full swing, analyst claims, as columnist for state-run newspaper sings BTC's praises. Last updated. January 3, 2025 at 05:00 GMT+2. Author. Tim Alper. Author. Tim Alper. About author. Tim Alper is a British journalist and features writer who has worked at cryptonews.com since 2018. He has written for media outlets such as the BBC, The Guardian, and Chosun Ilbo. He has also worked. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. January 3, 2025 at 05:00 GMT+2. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Add disclosure: we believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. Read more. A Russian expert claimed that Bitcoin, BTC, may hit $135,000 in 2025 as alt season kicks into gear, while a columnist said BTC was ready to become a super currency for Moscow. The price claims came from Capital Lab partner Yevgeny Shadov in a January 2 report from the newspaper Izvestia. Bitcoin may hit $135,000 by summer, expert. However, Shadov said that a slowdown may follow BTC's next price ceiling, with a consolidation in the cards later in 2025. He explained, Bitcoin is making a smooth move into the distribution zone. An altcoin season is starting on the market. A range of scenarios are now potentially possible. But, most likely, the growth of the Bitcoin price in the first half of the year will slow down. Shadov added that it was quite possible that BTC could reach the $115,000 to $135,000 mark, after which a period of consolidation is likely. The expert noted that the Bitcoin Dominance Index currently stands at almost 57%. But he remarked that this figure had only increased by 6.6% since the beginning of the year. Apparently, this phase has come to an end, and the index will continue to fall against the backdrop of an increase in the number of altcoins and growth in their total capitalization. For comparison, in 2017, this index fluctuated around 90%, and during 2021 it fell from 60% to 40%. As such, the market is gradually entering a phase of altcoin growth. Capital Lab partner Yevgeny Shadov. Bitcoin, Moscow's super currency. Meanwhile, there are further signs Moscow's crypto pivot may continue into 2025. In an opinion piece for the state-run media outlet RIA Novosti, the columnist Olga Samofalova wrote that in Bitcoin, Russia had found itself a super currency. The bullish piece was accompanied by an AI-generated image portraying a Bitcoin token in a boxing ring standing on top of a fallen US dollar coin. Samofalova wrote that in the wake of US-led sanctions packages, Russia now urgently needs a currency for cross-border payments that no one can outlaw. While she discussed some of the virtues of the digital ruble in this respect, the columnist ultimately concluded that the Russian CBDC is tracked in the same way as the non-cash currency used today. This, she wrote, means that the U.S. can also harm settlements made in the digital ruble. Samofalova continued, however, Bitcoin is a super currency in this regard. Bitcoin does not depend on the Russian central bank or any other central bank, or on the policies of the U.S. Federal Reserve or the White House. It is issued through mining according to a pre-established algorithm and without the intervention of any central bank. Bitcoin has no equal. The columnist then noted that it was impossible to track transactions made in BTC and rhetorically asked, how can sanctions be imposed here? There's no way. In terms of bypassing sanctions, Bitcoin simply has no equal. She conceded that BTC would not be a silver bullet for the Russian economy, writing, It will be difficult for the state to control export-import operations in Bitcoin, but Samofalova claimed that Moscow has no better option than to put its faith in BTC. Writing, extraordinary and difficult times for the global economy call for non-trivial, high-risk measures. Russian oil exporters can continue to operate under sanctions due to the fact that oil tanker crews can turn off transponders and move invisibly. Bitcoin provides, in essence, the same thing. It renders the financial settlements of our importers and exporters with their friendly partners invisible, and therefore it makes them inaccessible to ill-wishers. Moscow KG on BTC Pay details. Russian lawmakers have previously claimed they will not reveal the full details of their cross-border crypto pay operations to avoid attention from unfriendly nations. The columnist, however, remarked that difficulties have encouraged Moscow to steal a march on the rest of the world in approving, implementing, and developing new payment platforms with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. This new technological development has provided Russia with a tool to help it resist sanctions and dollar tyranny. Russian companies have already begun to use Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in international payments. However, the Russian authorities do not disclose how the process works in practice, nor do they tell the public which companies are experimenting with Bitcoin in the payment space. Samofalova. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Price predictions recommended articles. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar analyst predicts XRP could hit $8 to $20 this cycle. Could $100 be next? Ethereum price explosion imminent. This historic price pattern predicts IRS postpones new crypto tax reporting rules to allow brokers to adapt to new regulations. Dogecoin price hits rock solid, support $1 surge incoming. Price analysis. Top crypto coins to buy in 2025. Virtual. Pepe. Pengu. 1 day ago. By Alejandro Arich. Price analysis. Elon Musk's Pepe meme tweet turns $1,000 into a fortune. Could Pepe 100x from here? 1 day ago. By Arslan Butt. Price analysis. Kikius Maximus explodes 21,660% after Elon Musk's X post. 1 day ago. By Alejandro Arich. Bitcoin news. Bitcoin defy trends predicated to soar in 2025. 1 day ago. By Rachel Wolfson. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction Ethereum, ETH, price prediction Ripple, XRP, price prediction Dogecoin, Doge, price prediction Solana, SOL, price prediction. Best crypto wallets, best crypto to buy now, best crypto presales to invest in, best new meme coins to buy.